I wish to congratulate the Tea Board of Kenya, the Kenya Tea Development Agency estates and smallholder farmers for earning our country a record 180.57 billion Kenya shillings in the year 2023. This was a 31% increase in value of exports. It is the highest since the year 2013. This was a major boost to our economy as the shilling sought stability against major foreign currencies. Although the sales per kilo dropped from $2.62 to $2.47 per kilo, the foreign exchange earned cushioned our denominations from hours of free fall. On the flip side, the high exchange rate of US dollar against the shilling also enabled our over 834,000 farmers earn up to 345.32 Kenya shillings per kilo in the year 2023, as opposed to 306 per kilo in the previous year. Tea exports from small-scale and estate farmers have helped strengthen resilience of our shilling against major currencies. Small-scale farmers must benefit like their estate counterparts. We want the subsector to support socio-economic transformation of lives, as promised under the Kenya Kwanza plan, which the people of Kenya voted for when they elected President William Ruto. Under favorable conditions, farmers are ready to produce more, as witnessed in the year under review, when they registered 570 million kilos against 535 million kilos in the previous year. To show our sheer determination of ensuring a streamlined tea subsector, we are systematically addressing key issues that increase the cost of producing and processing tea up to the market level. For instance, I've engaged the KTDA Management Service, the Tea Board of Kenya, and relevant stakeholders on dealing with glut to avoid loss in value of unsold tea. Embassies and nations have a key responsibility of marketing our products as we focus on economic diplomacy. Similarly, the Cabinet Secretary for Agriculture, the Honorable Mithika Linturi, is having direct bilateral engagements with high-value markets for favorable trading terms. The executive is exploring bilateral engagements with other markets such as China, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and Turkey in pursuit of a bigger bite of the international market.
Haya